I'm Mari Wines, and I'm standing here with Chris Stu.
I'm the anchor. I go first.
We're kicking off 2022, and things are still looking
Somebody
strong.
get control over here.
Things are looking strong.
In all seriousness, though, hopefully you guys had a great holiday season and a happy new year. And hopefully, most of you didn't catch COVID.
Like Chris gave it to our whole office twice.
Seriously? Possibility. All right, 2020 update for Contra Costa County. Got some good news for you. We had over 15,000 homes sold in 2021. I also have bad news. We only have 550 active listings currently on the market. Not a lot for the amount of people who live in Contra Costa County. Average sold price, guys, was just over $1 million. Half of those were under $800,000, so that's good. Some affordable homes there. Guess how much the most expensive home in all of Contra Costa last year was? A good whopping $12 million in Lafayette. Lowest price? $100,000. I'll take 10.
I'll take 10 also. So when we narrowed these numbers down to East County, which we always like to do because so many people came here during the pandemic to get more bang for their buck.
All over.
There was a total of 4,300 sales. The average sales price was $705,000, with half of those being below $675,000, so much more affordable. The highest priced property was in Brentwood, $2.8 million, and the lowest priced property was that same $100,000 home, which was in Oakley. It was a single family, 2-bedroom house. Currently, there's 195 active listings in East County.
And I got some pretty great news for everyone. $100,000 or more most people made last year in California alone on home purchases. Want to know one of the major reasons behind that? Double the amount of buyers from pre-pandemic came out to look at homes. It's a simple economics, supply and demand, and it crushed last year.
And the reason there were double the buyers was because of the record low interest rates. And so just this past—
How low? Record low.
Record low. So with the recent increase in rates, it's a possibility that the market could slow, but experts are predicting year-over-year increases for the next 5 years. And inventory is what's going to tell the true story.
Hands down, inventory is going to be that, as you can tell. 550 homes with 2 million people. 2022 is expected to be another strong year. Home prices are expected to hit a 16-year high.
So if you were one of those people who've been waiting for the market to crash for a couple years, you missed out on $100,000 year over year. The rest of us are just kind of enjoying our equity.
So please do not wait this year. And yes, rates are going to continue to climb, and we'll talk about that on our next.
But congratulations to all the home buyers who did purchase property and are reaping the benefits right now. We are so happy for you. That's why we do what we do. One thing we like to do here at E3 Realty are case studies to highlight the achievements our clients have through homeownership. So I'm going to talk about my favorite case study from 2021. Actually, exactly 1 year ago today, I had clients who were FHA buyers, low credit, only $13,000 to their name, purchase their very first home in Rio Vista with 3.5% down payment. Fast forward to exactly 1 year later, we are now selling their home. And even after realtor fees, capital gains taxes, at the end of all their fees, they're walking away with $100,000, actually a little bit over $100,000. So that year turned their $13,000 into $100,000, and it completely catapulted them into their new adventure and their new life. They're moving to Texas and they're buying a huge new build, all because they owned one home for a year. We will keep bringing you these case studies to show you the success and how you can benefit from homeownership as well. And now I'm going to pass it on to Chris to give you a community update.
One of my most favorite things to do is give back to the community and be a part of our community. And our partner with Ticket to Dream and everyone's help around the communities, we're able to get 61,000 presents under trees this year. Awesome. Congratulations to everybody who helped out. And thank you so much to everybody who came out to our Meet Santa Claus and dropped off presents for local foster kids here in East County. We truly could not do this without you. Thank you so much again. And we look forward to doing more stuff. And I got good news. You want to help out? This year, right now, we're going to be working on getting school supplies. So if you want to drop off any paper, backpacks, pens, pencils, anything that we can do to help out our young foster youth here in East County, please reach out and we'll be more than happy to get it out. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Michael Gordon, and welcome to another lending update. Who the am I kidding? I'll be right back, 1 second. All right, I'm feeling much better now. I can actually see clearly. I don't know how he sees things, with those glasses on. Anyways, I'm Ryan Evanson, filling in for Michael Gordon. We're gonna go over what's going on in the lending world for you right now. And instead of the lending update, we're gonna call this Rates with Rye. Number one question on everybody's mind is what is happening with rates? We've seen in the news, you've talked to people, we've seen rates increase at a pretty good clip over the last 30 days. And so the question that most people have is, if rates are going up, will they continue to do so? And if so, how does it impact me if I'm trying to buy a house, if I want to refinance? Are there any options left? All right. So let's start with the facts. Yes, the rates have gone up, and as you can see behind me with the slides and graphs that we've put up, we expect rates to climb over the next 12 months. Now, nobody has a crystal ball, but we do think that rates will end up in the high 3s to low 4% rate area by the end of this year. So again, what does that mean? If you're thinking about purchasing a home, information is power, and understanding what your options are today, building a plan into the future is incredibly important, because you need to understand that as rates go up, yes, your purchase power may diminish. In other words, if you're approved today at $600,000 to purchase a home and you have a payment of X and the rates increase, well, that same $600,000 loan may cost you a little bit more monthly. We need to figure out what those differences are so you can evaluate what the cost may be to wait. Talking to a professional is the best way to do that. Take all of the guesswork out of the situation. Give us a call. We'd be more than happy to run your options, give you kind of the state of the union, where we're at, where we think we're going to end up, and what those changes may look like for you, specific, so that you can make a good decision. Now, let's talk about refinances. On the refinance side, there's a lot of people that feel they may have missed an opportunity to cash in on super low rates. Well, first things first, high 3s, low 4s, still, historically, this is rock bottom. You may have missed a 6-month window to grab a rate at 2.875, maybe even a smidge lower, but let's be real. 3.5% to 4% is still a phenomenal rate, and there's no reason why that should hold you back from doing a number of things. If you still have a rate that's higher than 4%, the opportunity to refinance is still there. If you're looking to save money short term, debt consolidation, maybe there's some student loans, installment, credit card debt that you could pay off through a refinance that may lower your monthly payments dramatically. If you're looking to save long term, 20, 15, even 10-year mortgage solutions are things that we're doing all day, every day, and the interest savings over the long term is incredible. The bottom line is this: it's still a great market. Rates are expected to go up. It shouldn't affect your ability to purchase, especially if you put together a plan. And on the refinance side, there's still plenty of opportunities to help you improve your financial situation. As always, we're here standing ready to answer any questions that you may have, to give you options that help you make a great decision on what you want to do with your home purchase or your refinance. Until next time, take care. We'll talk soon.
Congratulations everyone on an amazing 2021 for all the home buyers that bought homes. Such a phenomenal year. We're looking forward to everybody this year in 2022. Let's get you into that home and make that money for you this year.
See you soon.